Here you go, Brayden.
Oh, God, you cold?
No, that's zero.
I'm suffering. Well, I heard you beat yourself up.
Yeah.
I'm suffering from sciatica.
Oh, okay.
Just
Whizzer. There we go. That's good.
You're gonna go drive through. Come out.
Behind.
Pop on the back.
Brayden, just
Pop on the back.
Hip over, hip
Pop on the back.
Inside. You gotta get that head back. Yeah.
There you go, Brayden.
Good.
Get your head out. Get your head out.
Now follow.
do something with it.
Break it down. Stay tight with those hips. There we go.
Good. Hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Good.
Break him down.
Break him down, Brayden.
Pull it to you.
Yeah.
Pull it to you.
Get it locked.
Lock it.
Get it locked.
Hip.
Brayden.
You got time. Drive in. Yep.
Leg in there.
Knee inside, head and temple.
Settle in.
Just settle, Brayden.
Settle
Just
in.
settle.
Bottom knee. Push your hip out.
Brayden, put it in his side.
Left knee, the top of the ribs. Left knee, top of the ribs. Top of the ribs. Front side of the ribs. You're close. There we go.
Use your
You
chin.
got
Yep.
time. Yeah, put your chin in there, Brayden. There you go, Brayden. Squeeze.
Yep.
Just squeeze.
Now squeeze
Just
that
squeeze.
leg.
Squeeze
Yep.
hard, squeeze hard.
Just squeeze, Brayden.
There. Chin again. Use that chin
Just
again.
keep using the chin, Brayden.
Use it for the shoulder. Yeah.
There you go, Brayden.
You're good. Shift your knee out. Shift your knee out. Bottom knee out. Bottom knee out. There we
There
go.
you go. Squeeze, Brayden. Just squeeze.
Good.
Good job, Brayden.
Yeah.
Good.
Definitely first thing.
All right, Brayden.
There you go, bro. Let's get another.
Go, Braid. Be smart here.
Brayden angle. Brayden angle. Get in there. I get closer.
Yep.
Brewer.
Hands.
Take his hand away from him. Use his hands. Take that hand when he reaches.
Come on, Brayden.
Good. Punish. Punish.
You gotta take
Good.
it,
Head
Brayden.
in the top. Hit it.
Good. Drive through. Big
Back
lift.
return, Brayden. Back return. Go.
Good.
Yep, bar. Take it down.
Good tight waist. Good. Wrist now. Yep, on the wrist.
There you go, Brayden.
Okay, forward.
Stretch.
Forward.
Stretch that. Stretch
Stretch
that.
him. There
Good.
There you go.
Stretch him again. Stretch him again.
Stack him up. Get both knees on
Get
this
your
side,
knee.
stack 'em.
Get your right knee on this side.
Both
Right
knees
knee on this side.
Both knees on this side.
And
There
then
you go.
stack.
Stretch him out. There you go.
Yep. Do it again.
Up over your hip. Yep.
Good.
Just hold him,
Settle.
Brayden.
Hip over to him. Hip over to him.
hip, hip,
Hip over, Brayden.
Hip over.
Hip
Towards his
over.
head.
Hip over.
Okay, survive.
Up.
In on
Take
the
that
leg.
Turn that
Good.
leg. Turn it to him.
Clear. You guys gotta move. You gotta move. I think you got two.
Break it down.
Second period. What are you doing? You had one job.
Break it down now.
Get your arm back. Get your arm back. Get your arm back to a post. Watch your shoulders. Watch your shoulders. Get a post. Find a post. Belly, belly, belly.
Belly, Brayden, belly. Come on, Brayden, belly.